yung CCM team, Sir Rich.
Oh, the birthday girl. Rina, we love you.
At saka sa buong cast, I'm excited to work with everybody at maraming salamat for this new blessing. Salamat po.
Thank you, Matty. And of course, ang isa sa pinakamamahal natin love team. Together now, Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill!
Hello po, thank you po sa pagmamahal ninyo for your time at sa cast. It's an honor to be working with you guys. At sana po mag-enjoy kayo.
Yes, thank you sa lahat po ng press na pumunta ulit para samahan po kami sa press con namin. And thank you dahil lagi niyo po kami sinusuportahan. At sana po abangan niyo Dolce Amore this February 15.
Yes, ayan na nireview na. Feb 15 na po sa Primetime Bida. Alam na natin siguro ang time slot na wag na tayong chumars. Okay! Ano yung magpipinali in 8 days direct, diba? Another Star Creatives, of course, pangako sa'yo. Okay, who would like to ask the first question? Siguro, si Glenn Rigondola. Glenn, you want to ask the first question? Can I get a mic? Ayan, Miss Joanne. Medyo may hirapan kang pumasok doon, but pa-share natin. Dominic, pabigay naman ng mic. Ayan. Si Glenn writes for different publications.
Enrique.
Yes po.
Yeah, congrats. Anyway,
Thank you.
feeling na you're back to prime time and then with Lisa again.
Liza.
With Liza.
Liza po.
Yeah.
It feels good to be back. Since Forevermore, maraming nakakamiss din eh. I mean, it's the same team. And alam mo yung feeling na when people see you, you are reminded of how happy you make them. Yung feeling na gano'n nakakamiss. So, sa mga hindi pa nakaget over dun sa Forevermore, ito na po, we're back.
This time ba yung working relationship niyo ni Liza is more personal rather than, di ba, compared to Forevermore?
Oo naman, I mean, sa tagal namin nag-bonding nun sa Baguio. After Forevermore, it just goes deeper and better. Kaya may Dolce Amore, may Sweet Love na. Medyo.
Maririnig pa ba namin dito yung sigaw mo, I love you, or iba na ang
Paano ba yung in-Italian? Paano ba yun? Kaya mo.
Kaya mo.
Yeah.
So Liza, how was it working again with them?
Oh, it's always a pleasure. Actually, hindi pa po kami masyado nagkaroon ng scenes together. Yung teaser lang po, pero hindi po yun yung mismong ipapalabas po sa teleserye. So, excited ako for the scenes na paparating para sa aming dalawa.
So how was it, you underwent some trainings, diba, speaking Italian. So, how was the lesson?
Did you, Liza? May immersion ba sa
Yes po,
ganyan?
I had 5 sessions for Italian lessons. Sana mas marami pa para mas magaling, pero hindi. Pero nakatulong po yung pagstay namin sa Italy because more than taping, nakalipot talaga ako sa Italy po. And parang pag naririnig mo araw-araw sila na nag-Italian, mas nahahawa, pati yung accent po.
O kasi di ba parang one of the most difficult languages yung Italian, and then we were able to submerge.
Opo, sobrang hirap po. At saka, medyo complex po yung language. Like, isang sentence po nila, for each person, it's different how you would say it.
Like, paano?
Parang kung kilala mo, there's a different way you would say, ano ba? for kunwari, si Mateo, kilala ko po siya, I would say it this way. Pero if it's my first time meeting someone, I forgot how you, like, you use lay or, parang it's like po and opo in Tagalog, but for Italians, lei means she, or what's the other guy for?
Parang lei is the parang respectful way.
Of saying something, parang gano'n. It's hard to explain.
Thank you.
Thank you, Glenn. Okay.
Sabihin ko lang po yung Forever and More po sa ABS-CBN Mobile sa February 8 po yan.
So, may part 2 go to Forever.
Yeah, after nung ending of Forevermore.
Wow, ang daming ganap sa Liz Ken. Okay, thank you, Glenn. The next question will come. Siguro gaganunin ko na table para hindi na mahirap yung ng mic. Ruel Villacorta has a question. Hi, Ruel.
Hi, AJ.
Wow.
Sweet. Kaya sinabi mo na mas personal ngayon ang working relationship ninyo.
Bagal-bagalan ng
Working relationship ninyo ni Liza. Would this mean na pati yung personal relationship niyo medyo kumuhan?